are you awake during your hair transplant surgery?
So yes, you're awake during a hair transplant surgery, and hair transplants are long procedures that might be 8 to 12 hours long, and so we wouldn't want to obviously keep you asleep that long with anesthesia. But it's a relatively small area that I can numb up on the back of your head, and then we're harvesting, maybe 3,000 grafts sort of individually, and that takes a while, right? And so it's easy to numb up a relatively small area and then do a hair transplant and numb the different areas as we go. And when you're having it done, it's pretty casual. If you have to get up and go to the bathroom, you go. If you have to stretch your leg for a minute, we stop and you do that, and we take a little lunch break. And so it's definitely something you can be awake for. You can have ear pods in, you can listen to podcasts, you can listen to music, you can just talk or take a nap. And a lot of our patients take a nap while they're getting the hair transplant.